Hi everyone, coming to you live from Greatest North Auto. Check out this hot new arrival. If you love Jeeps, you'll love this one. It is a 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara, four-wheel drive, trail rated 4x4. Now the soft top on this, it is a one touch and the top comes off, which is really awesome. Anyway, check it out. It has a backup camera, lots and lots of room. Do a quick little walk around for you. All of these great features. It is the Sahara. This only has 60,597 for miles. It's the 2.0 liter turbo engine. Automatic climate control, retractable soft top, heavy duty suspension, keyless entry, Apple CarPlay, and much more. We have this priced at just $38,990. Save thousands from brand new power heated mirrors. Just a really awesome ride. You check it out. Come test drive this today. Come see me, Michelle Mitchell, at Greatest North End Auto. I will show you a great car buying experience. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching.